Alright, well hopefully we are live and well. And recording and this and that. I'm just going to put the camera down here. Or see if I can set it down here. See if I can get the to cooperate with me. Let's see here. Let's see here. Best spot to put the camera where it's gonna sorry guys, trying to get the a good spot. Let me put that there so it's I think that'll do. But anyway, guys, I figured, because again, I said about doing taste test review on these Pringles, the Smoky Misquit Barbecue and the Texas barbecue brisket, and then also, oh, I feel like the lighting's just not. You know what? I wonder. Let's go over here, cause only because the lighting over there is just not great. So and so you guys can see better, you know. And then, like I said, the smoky bacon. And then the Texas brisket. I've been urging you know, to try these. So, just been kind of, you know. Well, I don't want, like I said, you see, the last few days posting some videos. So, trying to get some videos, new stuff for you guys. But I've been itching to try these Pringles to see what they're like. So, well, I think since I have this, we'll try this one. The Smoky, like I said, if you can pronounce that, Misquit Barbecue. Oh, and it smells like a barbecue. It smells like a barbecue. Smells like one. Oh yeah. Good. You know, good flavoring on. Oh yeah. Like I said, new flavor. So, oh yeah. This one's got a good taste to it. This one here got a good taste. Definitely, I like that one. Alright. Let's try the smoky bacon. The smoky bacon. And does it smell like bacon? It smells like bacon. And stuff. It smells like a bacon. Oh yeah. Not a bad taste. You can taste a little bit of a bacony taste. Sometimes with this stuff, even though when it tells you the flavors, you eat the chip, and honestly, you really don't taste much. But actually, with this, You do taste some bacon in it, like the like a bacony, like you would fry it in the morning. Yeah. Truthfully, yeah. Smoky bacon. Yeah, you do. You get, you do get that a bacon taste. And the last one, of course, is the Texas barbecue brisket. You know, so and of course it smells like barbecue. And you can kind of, like I said, I apologize for the lighting and why it took so long to get in. Trying to get a good camera angle and also the lighting decent. So I apologize for the beginning there, but not bad. This one too. I mean, not too much, but because sometimes too, like again, it just I guess it depends on how much they decide to put. But sometimes you always don't get a flake, But no, still, you can taste honestly, seriously, like you just barbecued a brisket and put, you do get the a bit. You do get the taste. Yeah. So, oh yeah, I can get a bit of a barbecue and a bit of a brisky taste. So I mean, there you go, guys. Texas barbecue brisket, smoky bacon, and a smoky misquit. And I think I said that right, but I don't know, bacon. And like I said, guys, if you see these, like, try. I mean, like I said, they make